What's going on, y'all? Today we're working on the crew cab. Damn near sliced my stomach open. Trying to grind some welds off on the door. And my stomach is split all the way open. So, this door is gonna go right here. All these hinges are jacked up really bad. So, I'm just making something that'll do this job. I got this old piano hinge. And I just torch it here. Make a 5-inch bracket. Kind of throwing this down there. I'm going to torch it off and lay it down. Kind of got a flat surface to lay on, and hopefully build it up high enough so the door can open and close when it's on the truck. But it's getting there. I welded this thing together a little bit, make it where open and close is easier. I don't know how to weld too good. Not with a MIG. I can do better with stick, but I'm playing around with it. I gotta get this thing clean. I'm gonna probably vacuum it, wash it, all that kind of stuff pretty soon. Been real busy last couple days. Going to the hospital and stuff for my daughter. That ain't. She's all good now, so. Let's get the back door open. Don't think I've opened this back door at all. There's a problem. Pennzoil. Who would use Pennzoil? Pretty cool. They got a floor mat that runs all the way across, which is nice because more than likely underneath that floor mat, nice and clean. Back window's dirty. That door panel needs to put on, but nothing too major. Could use a door, but I'm not gonna do that either. I'm just gonna get this thing all working. See how? Well, there you go. See how that just falls right off. We gotta fix that up, and because that's the only reason people are gonna buy this. They're only buying it for this box. So let's get the box going. I'm gonna show y'all some fast play. Probably doing both the hinges. I'll just do one door. I'm gonna cut this off, put it over here, and y'all get to watch the whole thing. So hope y'all enjoy, and we'll hopefully have the doors on and put in all together by the end of this video. See you then. What in the world?
Drove off.
No, you didn't.
What?
He's right there.
Yeah. No.
You come this way.
Okay. That was hot.
these are all my flat steel on the last side, so I gotta find some more. This is one of my scrap cars. I just throw until it's completely full. But I'm not finding nothing. I'm sick of torching, so I don't want to torch anything apart more than I have to. I might just say screw it and I'll put a plate down on this side. So I buffed up the bracket. Got a good enough for me. Got that all tacked up. That one's all welded up. Opens, closes. Well, this one actually opens better and closes better. Let's see when I get done welding it how good it does. So that's it so far. Still got plenty of piano hinges. So I can do the other door. Whatever else I need to do. So originally it sat right here. Well, this is all uneven. I'm just gonna move it over here. Put one here. Put one here. Be good. No big deal. I say that now. Of course, when I go to put it on, I'm sure it'll be a big deal, but this project's taking too long. I'm ready to get the move on. That was a long time. So there's a gap from like here over where that plate is. It's not quite wide enough. I put a weld there, kind of keep it in touch. So I put something there. I got a couple tacks all over. This will actually put strength in that hinge and in the door. It might have weakened it a little bit, but should put more strength than anything. This hinge is all good and ready. That hinge still shuts. So that's good. I didn't think about that. Shuts, closes, opens, whatever. Spray these down. Keep it from rusting. That's it, y'all. I'm done. I gotta put the door on. And then next video, y'all see me washing it, cleaning it up, getting it all shiny. And that's it. So if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And we're gonna get some more content out there on this truck and that crew cab way out there. I'm still trying to find a cab. Just got that salvage title issue, and I'm gonna get it all fixed up. That one's gonna be my primary work truck. I don't like driving that fast every day, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm just keeping these videos going. Hope y'all like them and enjoy them, and if you do, subscribe. I definitely don't mind that. And what else do y'all want to see on the channel? I mean, if y'all want to see some other stupid stuff I do, then let me know. It ain't hard to do. But we're gonna get that thing done today. I'm gonna get it power washed tomorrow or the next day. I'm about to go to the lake, so I ain't worried about this too much longer. Going to the lake, spend time with my family from out of town. My girl, my baby girl, she's been in the hospital a couple days, so just little stuff, but it worries me. That kind of crap, I don't like that. I like putting my girl to sleep every night. And I ain't done that in 2 nights because I got to watch the 3-year-old, so a lot been going on right now. But that's part of life. She's good. That's all that matters. And pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I know y'all probably think my welds suck, but they do. It's okay. Just say they do. Alright, y'all. See you later.